everyone. So we have the last piece of the floor, the last final floor section going in. This is the other half, the last half of the bedroom floor. The first one was put in a few days ago. So we're going to slip this one in now. It's a little bit of a tight fit to get it inside. So they've had to shave down the sides a little bit and make some preparations for it to fit in, because it is a pretty tight fit. So it's going to be going, so rotate the camera a little bit. Right over there. You can see the crane above, so we can only get it in so far. Oh yeah, that's a little bit tricky. We can only get it in so far, then I'm not sure how we're going to do the rest of this. There's a balance point. When you get it in a certain amount, it's going to be balanced properly, and it's going to be much easier to bring it in. But right now it's not balanced the way we want it to go, so it looks like it'll slide off if we loosen the top there. So I think I'm going to get out of the area here, because just in case something falls down. It's almost in. We've disconnected it from the crane overhead and just pulling in the last little bit. It's probably 95% the way into position. A little bit more to do, and then we can start fixing the connection, so we actually we'll put fiberglass reinforcement and make it stick.